The world is changing. Fast. Business needs to change too. ONPASSIVE is the change we need. A revolution in online business. ONPASSIVE is a platform, a suite of tools, all powered by artificial intelligence. It's about automation, efficiency, and growth. Sounds complicated? It's not. ONPASSIVE is built for everyone. Whether you're a tech guru or just starting out, this is about leveling the playing field, giving everyone a chance to succeed. No more struggling with complicated software, no more wasting time on tedious tasks. ONPASSIVE takes care of it all, so you can focus on what matters: your business, your customers, your dreams. ONPASSIVE is the future of online business, and the future is now. Are you ready to join the revolution? Before we get started, if you haven't already, please help me out and subscribe to this channel. And as always, please like and comment below. I do appreciate it. Thanks. Let's get to the nuts and bolts. What makes ONPASSIVE tick? First, it's built on a foundation of cutting-edge technology, artificial intelligence, machine learning, and robust data analytics. These aren't just buzzwords. They're the engines that drive ONPASSIVE. They power features like targeted marketing, automated customer service, and streamlined workflows. Second, ONPASSIVE is cloud-based. This means you can access it from anywhere, anytime. No need for downloads, installations, or clunky hardware. It's all right there at your fingertips. Third, it's a complete ecosystem. What does all this mean for you? Real results. Imagine spending less time on marketing and getting better results. ONPASSIVE makes that happen. Its AI-powered tools analyze data, identify your ideal customers, then it crafts targeted campaigns. Reach the right people at the right time. No more wasted effort. But it's not just about marketing. ONPASSIVE streamlines your entire business. Automate customer service with intelligent chatbots. Manage your sales funnel with ease. Even recruit new talent with powerful tools. Think all this tech is too complicated? Think again. ONPASSIVE is designed for simplicity. The interface is clean, intuitive, and easy to navigate. No steep learning curve here. You'll be up and running in no time. Plus, ONPASSIVE offers comprehensive support, so you're never left in the dark. Whether you're a tech novice or a seasoned pro, ONPASSIVE is for you. It's about empowering everyone to succeed, with technology that works for you, not against you. Time is money, and ONPASSIVE saves you both. Its automation features take care of the busy work, so you can focus on the big picture. Imagine your marketing running on autopilot, generating leads while you sleep. That's the power of ONPASSIVE. It frees you from the daily grind, gives you back your time. Time to innovate, time to create, time to grow your business. ONPASSIVE is your secret weapon in the digital age. ONPASSIVE is more than just a platform. It's a movement, a shift in how we do business online. It's about empowering entrepreneurs, giving them the tools to thrive, no matter their background or experience. ONPASSIVE is changing the game, making success accessible to everyone. Join the movement. Embrace the future of online business. ONPASSIVE is here to stay, and it's here to help you succeed. For more information about ONPASSIVE and receive some free digital marketing tools, please go to the description below. Thank you and have a fantastic day.